Good day, my dear students. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to identify parts of a polynomial. But before we proceed, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated for my next video. What is a polynomial? A polynomial is an algebraic expression made up of terms. Each term consists of coefficient and a variable raised to a non-negative integer exponent. A polynomial can have one or more terms. A constant can be considered also a polynomial of degree 0. This is how the polynomial expression written in standard form. A sub n x to the power of n plus a sub n minus 1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus and so on and so forth plus a sub 1 x plus a sub 0. So the polynomial is written in decreasing power of exponent, meaning it is arranged from the term with the highest exponent down to the constant. Okay, so we're going to identify the parts of a polynomial. So we have here the leading term, the leading coefficient, the degree of the polynomial, and the constant term. So for our leading term, a sub n x to the power of n. So this is our leading term. So the leading term, it is the term with the highest exponent. Now for the leading coefficient, a sub n is our leading coefficient. Is the numerical coefficient of the leading term. Now for the degree of the exponent, n is the degree of the exponent. It is the highest exponent. Now for the constant or constant term, 0. That is the term without a variable. So for example, we have here 4x cubed plus 2x minus 8. So what is the leading term? So the leading term, it is the term with the highest exponent. The leading term is 4x cubed. Now for the leading coefficient, what is the numerical coefficient of the leading term? So 4, that is our leading term. The degree of the polynomial is 3. And the constant term, so our constant term is negative 8. It is the term without a variable. Okay, so for number 2, you can answer, you can post this video and then you write your answer in a comment. And I'm going to give some incentive for those who can give the correct answer. Thank you so much. Until next time, I hope you learned something for our video tutorial today. And see you for my next video.